Hello, my name is Giancarlo.
And my name is Simon Joshua.
And this is
Joshtrella. You ever notice anything weird about doorknobs?
No, but you're one.
Believe me, if I were a doorknob, you would be a monkey bar.
A monkey bar?
Yeah. So, you want to catch a quick movie after this?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, we can see that new Ghost Fighters movie.
Ghost Fighters suck.
Yeah, I know.
So why don't you ask?
I had some time to kill.
Oh shit, now you're gonna start talking about poodles.
Poodles? Seriously, Johnny?
At least I'm not speaking about doorknobs. Speaking about doorknobs, I need to go buy one for my bathroom door.
What am I, the guy from the Red Green Show?
What do I know?
Shut up.
There's always been brown ones.
Those are called cerviculous doorknobs.
How do you know that?
I just made that up.
There are always those stick-like ones.
Stick-like?
Oh, grow up.
Okay, look, we got to decide where we're going, okay?
How about?
No, we're not going to a strip club.
Oh, I know. At the same time, we can go pick up my doorknob.
Well, where do you want to go?
Oh, it's Ep.1. Oh, I'm so gonna take it. Oh,
You know, we could have just gone back to the Montreal Highlights Festival. We didn't have to come all the way here to examine doorknobs. You know, they have very fine ones on the porta potty doors.
those aren't doorknobs. Those are pull-up doors.
What the hell are you talking about? You know, Johnny, sometimes you really don't make sense. Look,
That's just how I roll. Let's move on. The science took us in 2 minutes. In 2 hours.
whoa, we're not spending 2 hours here.
Sure, my parents don't give me a curfew.
Yeah, well, I do. If I'm not in bed, if I don't get home, okay? If I don't get home in time for supper, my mom's gonna kill me.
Sure.
And plus, I don't want to miss Seinfeld. They have back-to-back repeat episodes.
If you miss your bedtime, is your mom gonna kill you too?
No, I just miss my computer time the next day. You know what? Just continue your obsession, would you? You're weird.
Sure.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Well, be careful not to slip.
Yeah, do you have any doorknobs here?
Why, sure, we have round ones, wavy ones, we even have long and straight ones.
Am I the only normal one here?
Well, thank you very much. I've been exploring many doorknobs in this building. I wonder what got her acting weird.
Yeah, I wonder.
Yeah.
Nanny, nanny, boo,
Hey, Simon, I think I found a perfect doorknob.
That's great.
So happy I found my soulmate.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
sure.
go to the store right now.
Poor thing. One day he'll learn that he'll be, I don't know. Ooh, I'm hungry for pizza.
Dude, come on, I wanna go buy my doorknob.
What?
I wanna go buy my doorknob, come on.
Oh, go eat a doorknob.
Joshua Entertainment.